Celebrations! You just received your new RX1E, and it comes without the windscreen or top box installed, but I'm going to show you just how easy that is to do with a 5mm Allen and an 8mm wrench. Let's get to it. The hardware kit for the top box includes 4 hat washers, 4 screws, a rubber mat that the box sits on, and to gain access to the holes in the bottom of the box, you simply remove the felt mat. Now, the first thing we want to do is put that rubber mat down, kind of line up the holes with the threaded holes in the pan. We're going to put our box up, kind of match the holes, look in the bottom and get them close. And then each of the hat washers, the screw is going to go through it and screw down just like so. So we'll just put each of the 4 screws and hat washers in place. We're not going to tighten those down just yet. I want to make sure all fit and the holes are aligned properly. And finally, we want to put the felt mat in the bottom. Case closed. The windscreen hardware includes 6 screws, 6 clear plastic washers, 6 hat washers, 2 acorn nuts, and 2 small washers. One thing you can do to go ahead and get started is set up your screws and plastic washers, get those in place. And now we're going to use the 8mm wrench for our acorn nuts and our 5mm for all our screws. Now each hole in the windscreen is going to receive a hat washer from the passenger side, and then the screws are going to go through. But you kind of have to hold things in place. So we're going to do it, just work one at a time, leave everything a little loose, and then do our final fastening at the end. Now let's install the mirrors. And now we'll put in the right side. Again, these threads are left-handed threads, so I'm turning counterclockwise. And to lock down that nut, same thing, I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install the windscreen, top box, and mirrors on your RX1E. Be sure to comment. Let us know what questions or things you want to see us create videos for you on the RX1E. And until next time, enjoy the ride. Y'all come back now, here.